And today we're gonna make fluffy slime. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need food coloring, and I have gel food coloring. And as you can see, I opened it because I'm curious and fat. The cream of the shavings. Boy!
The color of the
Rose. Yo, this is not fluffy. This is slime.
You got people with you, I got people with me. You wanna flex some clothes, we gon' shop.
Go, Lynn. It's already recording.
Yes, it is recording. Hi, it's Antonio.
Lynn. MRG.
And today we're gonna make fluffy. People will say, oh, use clear glue, but that's too expensive. And I know y'all parents don't got that much money, so.
Now you add baking soda.
He always messes up. You know why?
Antonio.
I got baking soda. Hey. That's a blooper. Right
Whip
there.
it through the glass. Hey. You did a good job, but then you messed up.
What if we mix it all together and it's all perfect?
Oh. I'm trying to dang.
We screwed up. I'm not gonna try this ever again. Don't do this again.
Yeah.